केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन हैदराबाद रीजन is going to conduct CCT practice test on 24th July 2022. I would like to explain scheme of CCT practice test for classes 3rd to 5th. Exam will be conducted online. July month's exam will be conducted on 24th July 2022, Sunday. Children can attempt this exam anytime between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Duration of the exam will be 30 minutes. Type of questions will be multiple choice questions. They are going to have 20 questions in the online paper, 5 questions from 4 different subjects. Subjects English, Hindi, Maths and EVS will be covered. Scheme of CCT practice test for classes 6 to 8. The exam will be again online. Date will be the same and duration will be 40 minutes for the students of classes 6 to 8. All the MCQ questions will be there. There are 6 subjects: English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Maths, Science and Social Science, and each subject will carry 5 questions. So total number of questions will be 30. For classes 9th and 10th, day and date and timing will be the same. Duration for classes 9th and 10th students will be 35 minutes. They are going to have 25 questions and subjects will be covered: English, Maths, Science, Social Science, common for all, and children can either attempt the questions of Hindi or Sanskrit. There is no exam for classes 11th Science, Commerce and Humanities for this time. Class 12th Science scheme will be like this. They are going to have 5 questions from 5 different subjects: English, Physics, Chemistry, General Hindi, Maths or Biology. They will get 35 minutes to complete the online paper. For 12th Commerce students, there will be again 25 questions. Mode of exam will be again online. 5 subjects which are going to be covered are English, Accountancy, BST, Economics and General Hindi. For class 12th Humanities, mode of the exam will be online. Date will be same, day will be same, and total 25 questions they are going to have. Subjects will be covered: English, General Hindi, History, Geography, Economics. So total 25 questions, 35 minutes will be there for them. But here I would like to mention one thing very clearly. Some of the students may miss the question paper of subjects like political science and similar subjects. So next time onwards we are going to include those subjects also. For this time they are going to have common paper for all the students of humanities. Now we will see how to attempt CCT practice test online. Step 1, we have to type address of EduBlog of KVS Hyderabad region, that is www.kvshyderabadro.blogspot.in in Google search engine. In step 2, we will see that a picture appears and there will be 3 links. Either you can click the picture or direct link of your class. And in step 3, please fill your details like name of your KV. One scroll down menu will be there. You can choose your KV. Then class, section, roll number and name before attempting the exam. Then in step 4, attempt all the questions by clicking the correct options of the answers. And step 5, please do not forget to submit your responses in the end of the exam by clicking the submit button. Thank you very much and all the best for tomorrow's exam.